Day, everybody. Joe Guam here. Hey, listen, I want to let you guys know of a new series of episodes that I'm going to be coming out with and sharing with you guys. I'm calling it Rise the Tide. So, what is Rise the Tide? Rise the Tide comes from an old ancient Chinese proverb. You may have heard it like, a rising tide lifts all boats, or high tide rises all ships. So the notion behind this is that I get a lot of questions about, people asking me, how I do things, whether it's playing shows or, bookings or whatever, anything. And I'm always happy to share anything that I know or that I figured out or that other people have told me. So all along the way, lots of people have really, helped me out. So I have no problems with paying that forward and sharing with you. So I'm just gonna be coming out with a whole bunch of episodes. I'm gonna start off once a week. They're all gonna be unedited, so you're gonna get me and as real and as raw as I can be. So I'll just be sharing things that how I do things, go about my day, especially with anything that has to do with music and music production and gigging and everything. So anything you want to hear, please let me know. I'd love to talk about or speak to anything that you guys might want to hear specifically. But yeah, Rise the Tide. Even in our shirts, it says Rise the Tide, because that's really where my heart is just to try to help everybody here on Guam. So there's a lot of information out there on being a musician, and you guys can find a lot of information on YouTube and everything like that. But just to specifically show how I do it and what I do here on Guam, maybe it might help you. And as a final send off for this one, I'll actually ask all the other musicians or artists or creatives here on Guam, if you guys have anything you want to share, please. I'd love to see or hear about how you contribute to the tide here. The water surrounding us really unites us all, and that's kind of where my heart is. So thank you guys for just tuning in, for liking, for sharing, for subscribing, for commenting, all that stuff. Any little thing you do to connect with me and with us, it really helps. So thank you guys for all the support. Hope you guys enjoy the series, and it's 2019 if you're just watching this right now, February 1st, 2019 to be exact, and we'll see where this goes. So Rise the Tide, everybody. God bless, and Sizus Masi.